Day 5 prepping.
Do you want to poop him?
No.
You want anti-inflammatory and painkillers?
She sounds like a nurse trying to medicate me. Hey? Doesn't she? No, Nurse Yebom, I don't want any medication.
Your choice.
We have a refugio tonight, so Yebom's excited about pooing in a clean toilet. I'm excited about having a shower for the first time in 2 days.
Oh my god, shower.
That's going to be really fun, actually. It's going to be the best 5 minutes. Day 5. Pretty comfortable camping last night. No rain.
Very warm.
Fairly warm. Well, as warm as you can be next to a glacier.
We had an amazing view of the glaciers right from the start.
Early delayering exercise. Something tells me it's going to be a bit more consistently on and off today. Walking adjacent to a glacier, it just feels that way. Right now we're in a bit of an upwards, forest and rooty and rocky, so slow and steady.
While Paso was a difficult campsite to stay at due to its very basic setup, it gave us the opportunity to walk this section rejuvenated and undisturbed. It made our experience more special because from here, the walk is no longer one way and can become quite crowded. We started our day around 10 a.m., but we recommend leaving Paso a bit earlier. The later you leave, the more people walking towards Paso. What do you think?
Beautiful, but windy.
We are at
Go to selfie on my iPhone.
bridge number 2. kilometers left. Today has been a breeze. Final hanging bridge of the day.
Third bridge. My first on the selfie stick. Definitely not the highest. What was that?
My backpack just took me. He left me. This was our last view of Glacier Gray. There were multiple viewpoints, but it was crazy windy and busy, so we headed straight for the Refugio. That's it for day 5. Refugio Gray looked and felt like a fancy ski resort. Unfortunately, the shower was cold, but we were grateful we were able to wash our stinky selves as well as our sweaty clothes. We left our washing to dry in the Patagonian winds, then ventured into the store to find a snack to go with our free drinks. We got a bottle of wine for 20,000 pesos. Because we can. And because dinner's still a few hours away. We are playing Old Mate.